Hey guys, are you like me and you just can't stand having to shift on your motorcycle up and down and up and down over and over again, just totally ruining the ride? Well, I've got a fix for you. Step 1, bend the absolute piss out of your shift lever. Step 2, try bending the shifter lever back while it's still on the bike. Put as much force possible down on this so you break the gear shift spindle. Now be sure not to make a beginner mistake and do this in first, second, third, fourth, or fifth gear. We want 6th gear for maximum top speed on my new automatic bike. Alright guys, and just like that, your new automatic motorcycle is ready to ride. Let's do this. Perfect! Alright guys, so all jokes aside, I did end up bending the gear shift spindle. I'm going to take it to the shop to get fixed this time next week, March 2nd, so there should be some new videos coming for that. I'm also putting in upgraded clutch plates as well as upgraded Barnett springs, so that should be nice and crisp, get it all fine-tuned for the spring and summer coming up. Super excited to ride, but otherwise, I will catch you guys next time next week. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe.